Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a couple of my personal favorite affordable skincare products that you people can use if you're either college-going kids, or you all go to school, or if you all have limited pocket money, or even otherwise. Feel free to use any of these products. All of them are products that I have been using for a while now, and ever since I remember I was in college and I had a very limited pocket money and very limited budget assigned to splurge, if I have to say or call that splurging. But nevertheless, it was often very difficult to go all out and purchase your high-end skincare products. And considering we're all, roughly from 16 to 19 years old, we also do not have that wide range of knowledge with regards to what will suit our skin and what probably wouldn't. So we all go through that phase of trial and error. But personally speaking, I would love it if you guys could avoid the trial and error method, because sometimes it can just have very adverse effects on your skin. So choose not to do that, and in severe conditions, consult a dermat. Otherwise, the few products that I'm sharing, I think, are just good to go if you're looking at affordable, college-friendly budget makeup sort of a thing. So let's get started into the video. Now, I would start from the top to the bottom. So let's take our hair into consideration. Now, hair makes for a very important part of our physical features and how we look on day-to-day basis. So sometimes it gets very difficult to maintain your hair and to sort of tame your mane down. Out of the few affordable shampoos available in the market, my personal would definitely be the Tresemme's Climate Protection Shampoo. It is not priced too high. This is for 345 rupees for a pretty big bottle, which is of 600 ml. And the fact that it comes with a pump, I think it makes it very easy to use. This might not be travel friendly, you might need a mini size of it, but if you're using it daily and if you often shampoo your hair, which is daily or probably twice a week, then I suggest that the 600 ml bottle should do you good. And it promises great results, and at the same time it also delivers. So this makes for a very, very good dupe of any of your high-end top brands with regards to shampoos and conditioners. Their conditioners are also really nice, so you should give them both a shot. Coming down to the face, now for my face, I'm very particular of the kind of products that I use, especially because I have reached a stage where I sort of know which products work for my skin type and which do not. Now, considering the simple fact that I have oily to combination skin, the products that I use on my skin that also fall in the affordable category are meant for oily to combination skin. You can check out the brands that I will be talking about in another different skin type or category that probably you have, and take help from experts to understand what suits you the best. So for my face, I like to wash my face with the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Face Wash. This is priced at rupees 90 because I got it from Beautiful, so I got a discount. Otherwise, this is priced at 110 rupees for this big a bottle. It is travel friendly because it comes in a tube size, so it can just fit anywhere. Plus, this takes care of pimples and acne and oily skin. So if you guys have oily skin, you can use this one. They also have the aloe vera face wash, which is meant for dry skin. And I believe this is meant for oily to combination skin. But you can always check them out. Once I'm done washing my face, I thoroughly believe in cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So now that I'm done with the cleansing bit of it, for a toner, I like to use the Himalaya Herbals Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. Now, this is priced, I can't really see, okay, yeah. This is priced at 80 rupees for a 100 ml bottle. This is again travel friendly. It comes with this airtight cap, which avoids spilling in any case if you're putting it in your bag or anywhere else. And this is a refreshing and clarifying toner, which is meant for all skin types. So whatever your skin type is, I think you can give this one a shot because it's extremely mild and alcohol free. Coming to my moisturizer, the moisturizer that I've been currently using and loving is the Himalaya Herbals Oil Free Radiance Gel Cream. It comes in a cream form, so the texture is really, really nice. Plus, it smells really good. And the mere fact that it comes in a gel form the blending part of it is amazing, and so much so that it just quickly absorbs into your skin. So you can always use this before applying makeup, and you can definitely skip on your primer if you're not too fond of one. Moving back, I come to my eyes. Now, for my eyes, I like to use the Organic Harvest Under Eye Gel, which is priced at 495 rupees. I believe this product is relatively cheaper than all the other under eye cream products available in the market. And the best part about this product is that it actually delivers really amazing results. I use this one at night because it's slightly heavy textured, so you really can't wear it under makeup. But it's perfect to use it as an under eye gel cream, when you're just about to hit your bed. For my lips, I think the easiest way that even you guys could opt for in the affordable budget category would be just using some petroleum jelly. This one out here is by Vaseline, and Vaseline is known for making good and rich textured petroleum jelly. So I think just a little bit of the petroleum jelly on your lips and you're just good to go even before you hit the bed, or you're wanting to apply some sort of lip balm or lipstick or lip color or anything of that sort. I'm right now wearing the Vaseline petroleum jelly on my lips just before I went ahead and gave it a swipe of my favorite lip shade that I'm wearing right now. Yeah, moving towards the body part. Now, for your body, especially if you're looking at something which is affordable and you don't want to go all out, you can try out the Palmolive body washes that they have, which are priced at 160 rupees for a bottle. They smell really nice and they lather really, really well. I have been using that all throughout my college years, and let me tell you, there was absolutely no issue. My skin felt soft. I really like the Spa Mineral one, so you should go and smell it because it has an amazing fragrance. Otherwise, you can always use a soap. Yes, I am totally freaking over the Medimix Classic 18 Herb Ayurveda soap. I discovered this product about a year ago, and I have been using this ever since on my face and my neck without fail. Occasionally on Saturdays I use it all over my body because it's got neem and tulsi, and I think that's always good for your skin. So yeah, you can definitely get your hands on this. This is priced at 93 rupees for the big bar. You also get 3 sets, so you can opt for that. The mini ones start for roughly about 25 to 30 rupees, so do give it a shot. Now coming to my underarms. Now for my underarms, I like using the Dove Go Fresh Underarm Deo Spray because I don't like to be smelly and sticky and stinky, especially at this part of my body. So this one's pretty affordable. This is priced at 170 rupees because I got it from Beautiful. This is the Dove Go Fresh Cucumber and Green Tea Scented deodorant. It smells really nice and mine's almost over, so I'm going to go ahead and pick another one. And last but not the least, to moisturize my entire body, one product that you might be seeing in almost 2-3 of my videos now, which is the Vaseline Healthy White Complete 10 Lightening and Anti-Aging Lotion. Once again, I'm not promoting any sort of whitening or fairness creams, but because I have just come back from Goa and I have a heavy tan, so this particular moisturizer helps me get rid of my tan because it sort of just undertones and tames my tan down, and that's what exactly I'm looking for. So this moisturizer helps me do that. This is it for now. I hope you college-going and school-going girls found this video helpful, and even otherwise. If you guys did, please make sure that you all give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and keep coming back to watch a lot more fun videos. Also, you can let me know your suggestions, and if you'd like me to do any sort of videos in the comments box below, and I would love to talk to you guys. Love you. Thank you. Do subscribe. Bye.